home improvement and decor.com. In this video we will discuss what is HPL sheet. The term HPL stands for high pressure laminate. HPL is a type of artificial rock solid board, best suited for all exterior work. HPL sheet is an elegant, versatile, long-lasting, and water-resistant manufactured board. It is a versatile product, with many applications in both residential and commercial projects. Due to its durability and water-resistant properties, HPL sheet can be used for both interior as well as exterior work. It is widely used in the construction industry, for building facade cladding, garden furniture, and other such applications. HPL sheet is a highly durable material with excellent water resistance property, and therefore you will find HPL sheet cladding work on many modern building facades. The Swiss-styled, wood look-alike building facades, false ceiling work, outdoor gazebos and patios, wooden decks, and other such decorative applications are some of the most typical applications of high-pressure laminates. HPL sheets is fast becoming the preferred choice instead of traditional building materials used for the treatment of exterior as well as interior building surfaces. The installation process for HPL is also very simple and does not require any special equipment, materials, or highly skilled workmanship. The HPL sheets are available in a wide range of colors, thicknesses, designs, and technical specifications.